Welcome to Enhancing Community Accessibility with Pedestrian and Bike-Friendly Design in FOOTSCRAY. Our research was based in FOOTSCRAY with a specific focus on the FOOTSCRAY West precinct located between Ballarat Road, Geelong Road and Summerhill Road. This precinct was chosen because it was part of a 2019 study by Maribyrnong City Council to identify road safety issues and develop recommendations for improving safety, access, and amenity. Also, encourage walking and cycling in the area. FOOTSCRAY is a vibrant part of Melbourne, but faces increasing traffic congestion and road safety challenges. These two maps show how we study the area. The first highlights the distance a pedestrian can cover in 10 minutes, and the second does the same for a cyclist. Both maps demonstrate the potential for creating more accessible, connected, and sustainable neighborhoods by prioritizing pedestrian and cycling infrastructure.
Next, we'll introduce a proposal for improving three roads: Buckley Street, Commercial Road, and Ballarat Road. Our goal is to increase autonomy for people choosing public transport by improving the journey between train stations and home, thus enhancing pedestrian satisfaction. First is Buckley Street, which connects FOOTSCRAY Centre and commercial areas. Although there are bike lanes, they are often occupied by parked cars. Since parking is important for two-side business, we propose retaining existing parking spaces. We plan to create a dedicated bike highway separating cyclists from traffic. The two-way bike lane will be 3 meters wide and 2.3 meters height, allowing parking underneath. Here's a comparison of the current and proposed Buckley Street section. Commercial Road is a residential street with excessive parking space. Counter 5.5 meters by 2.3 meters would be sufficient. Perpendicular parking occupies too much road space. By removing parking on one side, we can add two-way bike lanes, greenery, and widen footpaths to improve the street cycling and walking experience. This slide shows the current and proposed sections for Commercial Road. Ballarat Road includes tram lanes in both directions. To maintain tram and car access, the central lanes would be remained. We propose removing one car lane. This would allow for two-way bicycle lanes, improving cycling connectivity between streets. Here's a comparison of the current and proposed Ballarat Road sections.
Renovating Buckley Street aligns with the local area traffic management plan, prioritizing improved safety and accessibility for all road users. While through the research into cyclists and pedestrian needs, we found that safety is the most important priority, and our design will address the concern. Our proposed solution is the construction of an elevated bike bridge. This structure will ensure safety and fair usage rights for cyclists, while reserving parking availability for local business and residents. Beyond enhancing safety, the elevated bike highway will allow cyclists to travel faster and more efficiently. This renovation of Buckley Street represents a step toward a more sustainable, safe, and accessible urban environment, benefiting cyclists, pedestrians, and broader community.
The animation of our project is aimed to depict the flow of traffic within the existing structure of the streets, as well as our proposed solutions. The tool used to create the simulation of the flow of traffic was TypeFlow within 3ds Max. Initially, lines are drawn from one area of the street to another, and then the TypeFlow icon as well as the destination object were added at opposite ends of these paths to achieve the output and arrival. Within TypeFlow, the pathfinding tool is used to create this flow of traffic as well as highlight the existing traffic of the streets, comparing it to our proposed ideas, and creating a more diverse selection and route of traffic. Further, we use different shapes in order to represent different modes of transport within the simulation. For example, walking is represented by a sphere, cycling is represented by a pyramid, and driving is represented by a cylinder.